What's the deal with snail slime in skincare? It's been a hot topic in the beauty world for a while now, and for good reason. Snail mucin is known for its incredible hydrating and healing properties. But there's always that lingering question. Should it go before or after your serum? Should it go before or after your serum? This is a common dilemma for many skincare enthusiasts. The order in which you apply your products can make a significant difference in their effectiveness. Let's clear up the confusion. Understanding the correct order can help you get the most out of your skincare routine. So, you've got your snail mucin and serum ready, but the burning question is, which comes first? This is where the golden rule of skincare comes into play. The golden rule of skincare, thin to thick. This means you should apply your products in order of their consistency, starting with the thinnest and moving to the thickest. Serums, packed with actives like vitamin C or retinol, go first. They need to dive deep into your skin. These ingredients are designed to penetrate the skin and deliver their benefits directly to the deeper layers. Then comes Snail Mucin, your hydration hero. It locks in all the goodness and seals the deal. Snail Mucin is thicker and acts as a barrier, keeping all the active ingredients from your serum locked in. Think of it like this. Your serum is the sports car, and Snail Mucin is the garage protecting it. The serum does the heavy lifting, and the Snail Mucin ensures it stays protected and effective. So, serum first, then Snail Mucin. This order ensures that your skin gets the maximum benefit from both products, ready to glow like never before. By following this simple rule, you can achieve radiant, healthy skin. Let's make your skin the talk of the town, happy glowing. And remember, consistency is key. Stick to your routine, and you'll see the results over time. It's important to be patient and consistent with your skincare routine. Results don't happen overnight, but with dedication, you'll notice a significant improvement. Whether you apply your skincare products in the morning or at night, the order remains the same. Start with your serum and follow up with Snail Mucin. Having a checklist can help you stay on track with your routine. Make sure you're applying your products in the correct order for the best results. Your skin will thank you for it. With the right routine, you'll achieve that healthy, glowing complexion you've always wanted. And who doesn't love a good compliment? When your skin looks great, you feel great. So, let's get glowing. Don't forget to protect your skin with sunscreen during the day. It's an essential step in any skincare routine. Enjoy the benefits of your skincare routine both indoors and outdoors. Healthy skin is always in style. Treat yourself to a face mask every now and then. It's a great way to give your skin an extra boost of hydration and care. After all, self-care is an important part of any skincare routine. Take the time to pamper yourself, and your skin will show the results. Look in the mirror and appreciate the progress you've made. Your skin is a reflection of your dedication and care. Share your skincare tips with friends and family. Spread the glow and help others achieve their best skin too. Together, we can all achieve radiant, healthy skin. Happy glowing, everyone.